Hello and welcome to this online Alibaba Cloud Academy tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up for a LabEx account. LabEx is Alibaba Cloud Academy's online laboratory partner. They provide hands-on Alibaba Cloud labs which you can use to get familiar with our platform. In addition to showing you how to sign up, I'll also be showing you how you can redeem a code for LabEx coins. If you've taken part in an official Alibaba Cloud training, you may have received an email from us with a code which you can enter to receive LabEx coins, which will allow you to try LabEx labs free of charge. In the second part of this video, I'll show you how to redeem that code. First, let's get started with the sign up process. The first thing we need to do is click on this button in the upper right-hand corner that says Get 7-Day Free Trial. So I'll click on that, and that will take me over to the registration page. You can sign up with Facebook, Google, or GitHub accounts, or you can use an email address. In my case, I will just directly use an email address. I need to choose a password for my new account, and then I need to enter the CAPTCHA code here, and finally click on Sign Up. Once I've done that, a verification email will be sent to my email address. That email will contain a link. When I click on that link, that will complete the LabEx account verification process. Let me do that now. So as you can see here, I've successfully completed the verification process and my account is now confirmed. Let's close that tab and go ahead and refresh. Great, so we now have a working LabEx account. So how can I add LabEx coins to my account? So here, this is my account avatar. If I click on this and then click on Profile, that will take me over to my account profile page where I can do things like set up my username and a nickname, change my email, or alter my password. I can also add LabEx credits from here, which is what we want to do. So if you look at this tab here that says Credits, this is where we go to add LabEx coins. I'll click on Top Up, and then I'll have the option to top up using either PayPal or tokens. We want to use a token string. This is typically what we will send you via email if you're taking part in an official Alibaba Cloud training. I then simply paste my token code in and click on Confirm to consume the voucher. Great, I now have 200 credits under my account and I can start using the LabEx platform to experiment with Alibaba Cloud. Oh, and don't forget about the Alibaba Cloud Referral program. You can follow us on LinkedIn to get a free Alibaba Cloud certification course. There's just 3 simple steps. Number 1, follow our official social media account on LinkedIn. You can find the link here and also under the video. After following, send an email with your LinkedIn profile information to international_training@list.alibaba-inc.com, and then we will send you a code which you can redeem for access to your free course. It will show up under My Learning, My Courses as shown on the screenshot in the lower right here. Thank you, and see you in our next video.